Ni hao, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our journey through the flavors of Chinese cuisine. Today, we're diving into the savory world of double-cooked pork, a beloved dish with a rich culinary heritage. But before we uncover its secrets, let's explore some lesser-known facts about it. While double-cooked pork is commonly associated with Sichuan cuisine, its roots can be traced back to the Qing dynasty, 1644 to 1912. It was originally a peasant dish, created as a way to make leftover pork belly more palatable by double-cooking it to enhance its flavor and texture. As the name suggests, double-cooked pork involves two distinct cooking methods, simmering and stir-frying. The pork belly is first simmered in water or broth until it is partially cooked and tenderized. Then, it is thinly sliced and stir-fried with a mixture of vegetables, typically including cabbage, bell peppers, and leeks, as well as seasonings such as garlic, ginger, and chili peppers. One of the signature characteristics of Sichuan cuisine is its mala flavor profile, which combines numbing, ma, and spicy le sensations. Double-cooked pork exemplifies this with the use of Sichuan peppercorns and chili peppers, which impart a distinctive tingling sensation on the palate, enhancing the overall eating experience. In Chinese culture, pork symbolizes wealth and abundance, making double-cooked pork a popular dish for celebrations and festive occasions. It is often served during Chinese New Year festivities as a symbol of prosperity and good fortune, with its rich flavors and hearty texture representing the promise of a bountiful year ahead. While double-cooked pork is undeniably indulgent, it also offers some nutritional benefits. Pork belly is a good source of protein and essential nutrients, including vitamins B6 and B12, as well as zinc and iron. Additionally, the vegetables used in the dish provide fiber and essential vitamins, making it a satisfying and nourishing meal. While double-cooked pork is most commonly associated with Sichuan cuisine, variations of the dish can be found in other regions of China as well. In some areas, different cuts of pork, such as pork shoulder or pork loin, may be used instead of pork belly. Additionally, the seasonings and vegetables used in the dish may vary depending on regional preferences, resulting in unique flavor profiles across different regions. In addition to its association with prosperity, double-cooked pork is also symbolically linked to the concept of rebirth and renewal. The process of double-cooking the pork belly represents a transformation, as the meat undergoes a change in texture and flavor. In Chinese culture, this transformation is often seen as a metaphor for personal growth and renewal, making double-cooked pork a fitting dish for celebrating new beginnings and fresh starts. Double-cooked pork holds a special place in many Chinese households as a dish that brings families together. It is often prepared during family gatherings and special occasions, with each family having its own cherished recipe and cooking traditions. Passing down the recipe for double-cooked pork from one generation to the next is a way of preserving family heritage and creating lasting memories. In recent years, chefs and home cooks alike have experimented with modern twists on the classic double-cooked pork recipe. Some variations may incorporate innovative ingredients or cooking techniques to create new and exciting flavor combinations. Additionally, double-cooked pork has inspired fusion dishes that blend elements of Chinese cuisine with other culinary traditions, showcasing the dish's versatility and adaptability. Throughout history, double-cooked pork has remained a steadfast favorite in Chinese cuisine, even during times of hardship and adversity. Its enduring popularity reflects the resilience and resourcefulness of the Chinese people, who have continued to cherish and celebrate their culinary heritage in the face of challenges. In this way, double-cooked pork serves as a symbol of cultural resilience and perseverance. Double-cooked pork has a unique connection to Buddhist cuisine in China. In traditional Chinese Buddhism, pork is generally avoided due to religious beliefs, as Buddhists refrain from consuming meat. However, double-cooked pork is an exception and is sometimes prepared in Buddhist vegetarian restaurants using tofu or other meat substitutes instead of pork. This adaptation allows Buddhists to enjoy the flavors of the dish while adhering to their dietary restrictions. In some regions of China, double-cooked pork is prepared using seasonal ingredients that are available during specific times of the year. For example, during the summer months, fresh bamboo shoots may be added to the dish to provide a crunchy texture and delicate flavor. In the winter, hearty root vegetables like potatoes or turnips may be included to add warmth and depth to the dish. And there you have it. Double-cooked pork, a dish that combines tradition, flavor, and cultural significance into one delicious package. I hope you've enjoyed learning about this iconic dish. Until next time, happy cooking and Jian Kong! Don't forget like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.